HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language that describes the structure of the web page. It allows us to create web pages that contain paragraphs, headings, links, and block codes. The output of HTML web pages is same on any type of computer and on any operating system. Example, Mac, Windows, etc. Hypertext. Hypertext is a piece of text that has special feature of linking to other documents or web pages. Markup language. It is a language that uses special symbols called tags to mark up a text document and instructs the browser how to display the text. Key features of HTML. Some of the important features of HTML are: it is a platform-independent language. It allows us to build tables. It allows us to add a link on the web page. It is not case-sensitive language. It is a very easy and simple language. It provides a flexible way to design web pages along with the text. Types of HTML editor. There are mainly two types of HTML editors named WYSI, WYG editor and text editor. Let us now discuss these editors. WYSI, WYG editor. WYSI, WYG stands for What You See is What You Get. This type of editor allows the developer to see what the end result will look like when the document is created. These editors provide various tools and graphical interfaces where the web pages are designed. Examples of WYSI, WYG editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, and Google Web Designer. Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, and Google Web Designer. Text editor. We can create HTML documents using normal text editors like Notepad or WordPad. The user should have a proper knowledge of the HTML commands to develop a web page. HTML tags and attributes. As we know that HTML is a markup language, it uses tags to mark up the content of the web pages. These tags also have their attributes. Let us learn more about tags and attributes. Tags. Tags are the basic building blocks of a web page. They tell the browser how the information is to be displayed on the web page. Tags do not appear in the browser window, but they affect the display of the text and non-text items in it. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules and syntax. HTML tags are not case-sensitive. In HTML document, a tag name begins with an opening angular bracket and ends with closing angular bracket. For example, opening angular bracket, tag name, close angular bracket, content, open angular bracket, / tag name, close angular bracket. Both opening and closing tags are same. The only difference is that the closing tag contains a / before the tag name. Most of the tags in HTML have opening and closing tags. A combination of opening tag, content, and closing tag is called an element. The HTML tags can be categorized as container tags. The tags that have both opening and closing tags are called container tags. For example, empty tags. Empty tags contain only opening tag. They do not have closing tag. These tags do not enclose any data. For example, HTML tags can also be further classified as block level tags. The block level tags take up the full width available and by default begin on a new line. Some of the block level tags are paragraph, P tag, headings, H1 to H6 tags, horizontal rule, HR tag, etc. Text level tags. The text level tags are used to mark up parts of the text. These tags do not start with a new line. Some of the text level tags are bold, B tag, superscript, SUP tag, italic, I tag, subscript, sub tag, etc. Nesting of tags. Nesting of tags means that you can start a new tag before closing the previous tag. The only point to remember is that tags are nested on LeafO principle. The only point to remember is that tags are nested on LeafO principle, that is, last in, first out. This means that the tag that has been opened last needs to be closed first. Attribute. An attribute is a property that provides some additional information about a tag. It enhances the functionality of a tag. It is always specified inside the opening tag. All attributes consist of two parts, a name and a value. The name is the property that you want to set. The value is what you want for the respective property. For example, the BG attribute of the body tag is used to add a background color to the body of the web page. For example, the width is the attribute of the HR tag, which specifies the width of the horizontal line in pixels or percentage. By default, the width is 100%. Rules for writing HTML codes. There are certain rules for writing HTML codes. Let us learn more about them. Container tags should always be closed properly. Values given to the attributes should be enclosed within the double quotes. Tag name should not contain spaces. There should be no spaces between and in a tag. Tags must be nested correctly. HTML document structure. An HTML document is a text file containing markup tags. The markup tags tell the web browser how to display the web page. A HTML file is saved with .htm or .html extension. Basic structure of HTML document is as follows. HTML tag, head tag, title tag, title of the web page, close title tag, close head tag, body tag, content of the page, close body tag, close HTML tag. A HTML page is divided into two sections called head and body. Head contains the information which is not to be shown on the web page. Body contains the information which is to be shown on the web page.